Hello. Have you ever wanted to make a spreadable cream that's something like a mayonnaise, but more like a spread? Well, today we're going to do that with sunflower seeds. Hi, my name is Marilyn Zink. I'm the publisher of the Herbal Collective magazine, a nutrition coach, and chartered herbalist. So, of course, our main ingredient is sunflower seeds. I think I've got about a cup of these here. Now, I soak these. Um, you don't necessarily have to soak the seeds, but I recommend it because they'll blend up creamier. I soaked it overnight, but you could probably soak it for like a couple hours or so. And going to use a little bit of onion and a couple cloves of garlic. Now the garlic's optional, but I just like a little bit of flavoring, like herbal flavoring. And also going to use a little bit of lemon juice. So now this can be done in a high speed high speed blender. Let's get the words right. And it should come out thick and creamy. Now, but I've decided to do it in a processing machine, food processing machine. I almost said word processor. We don't want that. And the reason being is because it's going to be thick. It's probably going to be easier to come out of the blender or other processor than if you just did it straight in a blender, because it's kind of a pain to scoop it out when you're done with that. So I'm thinking maybe I could add a couple of other herbs or spices. What do you think? Maybe a little bit of ginger, just like a little tiny bit, or maybe a paprika. Here's a good idea. I think I might do a little bit of that. And I'm just adding it to the food processor now. And I've added a little bit of lemon juice, half a lemon. I'm going to add some water. These are the soaked seeds. So I'm using like about a half a cup of water. I'm not sure if that's enough. I think I might add a little bit more water, but let's give it a try. See how that works. Uh-oh, it spills out a bit. Okay, you know what? I'm going to put this on pause. I'm going to come back because I think this does have to go in the blender. And I will do that, and I'll come back, show you what happened. Okay, see you. Okay, I'm back, and I've been busy blending and added some more water. Not quite half a cup, another half a cup, but close. And then another half a lemon. So put it in the blender, blending it, stopping, blending, stopping, a bit of stop and go. So I wanted it to be really nice and smooth. Then I can show you how this turned out. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Like from sunflower seeds. And, water and a bit of onion and a bit of lemon juice. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try it now. What do you think? That's kind of nice. Now it's got a little bit of bite from the garlic. Of course, if you don't want the garlic in there, you can leave it out. But I think it gives it extra flavor. I could use this as a spread, like with a sandwich. Wouldn't that be nice? Maybe I'm going to mix it into my tuna. Can maybe mix it into chickpeas, like if you smash the chickpeas. And then you could put that in a sandwich with some lettuce and cucumbers. Does that sound good? So there's all kinds of possibilities here. Now, this is great for people who are vegan or, they want to avoid dairy. But hey, even if you eat dairy, you're not vegan, what a great little cream to make. And look how much it makes. Like, that's a lot. That's a lot. You can maybe try it in place of mayonnaise or maybe blend it with a little bit of mayonnaise. So if you think about the possibilities there, how nice that could be. Now, if you left out the garlic, maybe it could almost be part of a sweet treat. So I'm thinking blend it with a little bit of tofu or cashew cream. You see where I'm going with this? So sometimes you got to try things a little bit and just have fun experimenting. So I do these videos to kind of help to think about interesting ways to eat healthy and inspire you. And when you do that, you're eating less processed food. And you're nourishing your body because sunflower seeds are so good for you. They're just got so many nutrients. And if you like this video, please share it, like and subscribe, and click the link below for some more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.